This week I'm testing the Ford Mustang GT. It's a 4-seater sports car. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the Ford Mustang there are 2 seats, both of which have Isofix within slits in that seat leather base. There are also top tether points behind both headrests, which are surprisingly easy to connect to because it's really quite spacious back here. Now I managed to fit 2 forward-facing child seats really nice and easily. The only consideration is the height of that seat, and I found that seats that have a lower seat base actually fitted better. We also found that a 182 centimetre passenger could really easily sit in front of a rear-facing child seat. There's no storage in the back of the Mustang, but in the front it's surprisingly good. There are 2 cup holders in the central console here. They will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup, and a large refillable water bottle fits in them as well. Behind them the central console box is a good size, and it's got USB and 12-volt sockets too. In front of the gear lever there is a little well, and that glove box is a good size. I could get my iPad and my wallet in there with the manual. Now there's no glasses case in the ceiling, instead it's a little pop out in the dashboard here, which is great. The door bins are quite small though, and I couldn't get any water bottles in there, just my wallet. The boot door of the Mustang GT opens really nice and quietly, just double clicking the button on the keyring here. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot. Empty will hold 13 shopping bags, or the Mountain Buggy Duet twin stroller and 2 shopping bags, or the Flex tandem stroller and 3 shopping bags, or the Urban Jungle single stroller and 5 shopping bags, or the Nano compact stroller and 8 shopping bags. But you can't put a dog in that boot. The Mustang is actually a really nice car to drive. It does have a really low ANCAP child occupancy rating though, and only 3 stars, so that is a consideration. One thing I've noticed as well is that wing mirror over there, I can't move it to a position where I can actually see properly. It's really a bit frustrating. Apart from that, it's very, very comfortable. In normal or quiet mode, it is quite smooth. It's only when you've got it in racetrack mode that it really would disturb those rear passengers with a sporty ride. I also find it shrinks around me, and especially on the motorway, I forget I'm actually driving a big Mustang. It's not until I get into kind of small suburbs that I realise the size of the thing. It's really, really nice. The media system in the Mustang is really nice and easy to use. It's simple and easy to navigate, and with these controls along the bottom of the screen here. It does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, which is fantastic. When I put it into reverse, the camera image is nice and big, and it is clear from low down. However, from the driving position it can be quite hard to see because of the glare. A really good feature is you can turn the parking sensors off with the buttons on your steering wheel and the controls on your screen. So to sum up with the Ford Mustang, it is a surprisingly practical and good family car. The only thing is that ANCAP rating. It's only 3 stars and a really low child occupant protection rating. Apart from that, it's been really fantastic this week. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.